So it's just me now. He abandoned me. It's a sad life, but we do what we must.
I can still hear you.
Oh, she's back. What are we doing today?
We are gonna do some paint pouring for Halloween. Happy Halloween. It's only September, but we need it.
We need it.
And this is our first time doing this, so we watched a few videos today and we're gonna do it.
That makes us experts. YouTube experts.
We are. Just you wait.
Just you wait.
Alright, so we got a couple canvases, we have some acrylic paint, we have a mixing medium, and a lot of cups, and these things.
Sticks. Popsicle sticks.
Yes. No popsicles. Alright, let's make some paint to pour.
Okay, you watched all the videos. Where do we start?
Alright, so we want to measure like 1 to 1. So I'm going to make some white. And do like...
Oh, that's not a pleasant color.
No.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so I think I have white in the other room.
Nope. And oh, that's a lot of white. I hope we have white in the other room because that's the only white we have, isn't it?
Yes. Alright, so that should be it. Mix one part of the medium and one part of paint and then stir it up.
Oh, that smells. Oof.
See how much paint we have first.
So mix it for a bit and then let it rest. And then I remember from one video, mix it again and then let it rest.
I don't remember anymore.
That was Sophia.
Oh, that's right. And then we'll cut out parts that we're just doing ourselves.
Yeah, our editors will take care of that. Editors, take care of that.
Alright, so I will
Start with the colors.
yeah, I'll do like 2.
2 at a time?
Yeah.
Oh, she's talented. She's talent. She's finesse.
And now I'm gonna make all the paint colors pop into these little cups. So now that we have our overhead camera figured out, let's pour some paint. Alright, so first you want to put some kind of a base layer around the edge.
I thought that was after we pour.
I don't know, the one that I was looking at, they made like their base black, so I'm gonna try that.
I'm going to do as the goddess Sophia does and do it after my pour before I move everything around. Ooh, she's silky. And I don't mean nutmeg ganache.
People use spatulas and things, I'll just use a popsicle stick.
You have gloves on.
So,
Don't be afraid to get messy. Get messy, get dirty, make mistakes. Magic School Bus? No?
I read the books, I was too old for the TV series. I feel like that's probably not true.
Yeah, I watched that show up until my mid-20s.
Girl, that's a booty hole.
Girl, that's a booty hole, yeah! That show. In case you don't know which one that is, we'll put it right here.
What's that?
Girl, that's a booty hole.
Not a hole, Keisha. A valve.
I'm already making a mess, so that's how this is gonna go.
What else is new?
Wow. I don't know what to do. Alright, so,
So we use this medium that we made to put all these into, correct?
no.
No, that's what this is for. We
So
also
supposedly you put a bunch of white and then your color, and then you can mix white into it
right
between the colors. But then you also want to have enough to put around the edge.
Right. So I'm gonna pour some of mine
And
into this one.
And I will use this for my edge thing if I need it. So you'll have more white left over. I'll have white left over for you.
Okay. So should I not pour half of this in there?
Yeah, you can. Yes. I don't know. Do I want to use this thing to pour paint through? I don't know.
Mazel tov.
Could be cool. I've never done this before.
Neither one of us have done. Obviously, we've never done this before.
I have anxiety. Shocking.
You? In the 10 years we've been together, I've never noticed.
Liza Minnelli, lies.
Lies, Minnelli. Lies. I
I
can't.
was supposed to be a fan, but I don't have one.
So you gotta insert the flop here.
Okay, so let's pour some shit.
Let's pour some shit. I'm gonna remix a couple of these just a little bit. So it looks like they settled.
Okay, so I put some black in the bottom of my cup. And then I'll pour some white in between. So I'm just gonna go right in the middle. Like, I feel like we probably have more paint than we need because this is a small canvas. So I'm just gonna pop a little tiny drop in the middle. So basically, these are like Hocus Pocus Halloween colors. Each one of mine is for one of the witches. Obviously. Do you know which witch is which color? Oh my god, what? I just had an aneurysm.
Do you know how much wood a woodchuck chuck and woodchuck could chuck wood?
No? Do you?
Do I look like a scientist to you? Just because I'm an evil genius doesn't make me a scientist.
I have a feeling this is gonna be ugly as shit.
Oh, that's what my mom said when I was born. Oh, I didn't do anything. Just a touch. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of paint.
I don't know what to do.
Maybe we should switch to the big canvas. Oh, you already painted yours though.
Yeah. We'll see what happens. It's a first try. I'm nervous. Oh, you have a lot of paint.
I have a lot of
I
paint.
have a tiny little
No.
shot of paint.
I have a lot of paint.
Well, you just... Wow.
I'm just going all
You're
in.
just pouring the whole thing.
Yep.
Oh.
I'm pouring the whole thing. YOLO. I didn't get any instructions, so I just have to make it up as I go along.
Hey, paints were like 79 cents at the craft store. I was gonna say the name of the craft store, but they're not sponsoring this video, so they don't get any free advertising. Don't even say it.
Patty.
Patty? What you got to
Panties?
do with it?
No, I said patty, not panties or patty. Patties, panties, or petty? What?
Oh my god. Well,
Let's go.
almost time to pour.
Move it, move it. You still have some white left, right? So I can use
Yes.
it for my edges when I'm done.
Yep.
Although, I don't think I'm going to need it. This is like a big gulp.
Alright, you ready?
So, okay, I'm going to have to do the method
So
that...
you can do like the little swirlies if you want.
No, I think I'm going to have to do the tip it on the cup and then tip it over.
I don't think that's a good idea.
I think that's what I have to do.
No, no, it's gonna get all over the floor. No, you can't do that.
It's okay.
No, it's.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm ready. Where's the center? Am I in the center?
Oh, it's gonna stop recording. recording again.
Yeah, in about 20 seconds, so you better hurry up.
Oh my god. It's alright, let's do it.
No, let's do it this way.
Okay. It's a good idea. Oh. I made a mistake.
It's all black? I'm out of room.
I made a mistake.
You want some of my colors? I have a lot of
Okay.
colors.
Here, we'll do this little thing.
Okay, I gotta start moving mine. Oh wait, no, I gotta. Where's your white?
This looks insane, but kind of cool. But
Okay. Here we go.
let's do it again. 25 more seconds. Like, I like this how it is. Basically. Just need to get the edges a little bit.
To the tap method. The queen did that.
The don't pour your paint into just black paint because it just turns into black paint. Don't touch that. So weird. I'm not mad at this.
Okay, I think I'm done. Mine turned out beautiful.
It is very beautiful.
We might have to do another one after this. Do we have enough paint to do another one? Well, I have another one.
No.
I have enough paint in that one cup to do another one. Wow, that's beautiful. How long is this going to take to dry? Like a month?
I think 3 days.
3 days. We'll see you in 3 days. When they're dried. Okay, now I gotta fix my cups so I can put it on my cups.
So like, I like mine how it is, so I don't want to screw up the edges. I'm just gonna make sure they're covered.
I'm actually very happy with mine. I can't believe it. Even the table's pretty.
I'm not mad at that. I think it looks pretty good.
No, I like yours, yeah.
It reminds me of something, I don't know what.
It
But,
reminds me of autumn.
kind of. Is yours a camera shot?
I
can't
don't
see
know.
because the wood's in the way.
Somebody say word. I loved this. This was fun.
I like it. It was okay as long as you
It'll-
don't put paint into black paint. The game will be black paint.
I have a weird mark on mine right here. I don't know what happened there.
That's weird.
It looks like a piece of dust or something was on there.
Yeah, we'll definitely do this again with some not Halloween colors. Even though yours looks kind of Halloween, mine is not Halloween at all. But that's okay.
I just want to show it. I want to show it to the world.
Well, once they are dry, we will show the final product now.
One eternity later.
So it's 3 days later, and our paint is finally dry.
Yowzas.
So,
Oh no.
ooh,
Look at how beautiful it is.
that's creative.
So are we ready for the big reveal?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, boom! Wow!
Pretty cool.
Wow! I actually really enjoyed doing this.
There's mine.
That's yours.
Looks kind of like the Reload album cover from Metallica, I think. And,
Sure.
And yours.
Mine looks like I don't know what it looks like.
It looks cool.
It looks cool. It looks very cool. Almost marbled, I guess.
It's Halloween
It
vibes.
is very Halloween vibes. It's very smooth and yeah, I'm happy with how this turned out. I definitely wouldn't mind doing this again. This is really fun. I had a good time doing it.
Yeah, we're definitely going to do it again. Hopefully,
On a bigger canvas, maybe.
definitely.
Yeah, because we had a lot of leftover paint because we didn't actually clean up our mess.
Still here.
Lots of leftover paint.
Up to-
It's actually still not even mixed.
Yep. We'll have to just use it again. So now that these are finally dry,
we can add a nice coat of glossy taco
to protect it.
and to make it sheeny.
Sheeny?
Sheeny.
Sheeny?
Sheeny.
Shiny.
Sheeny.
I'm confused.
Sheeny.
Alright, well thanks for watching paint dry with us. Hope you got some creative ideas from it. And until next time, stay fab.